A young boy grows up influenced by two father figures with opposing philosophies on money, work, and life. One is highly educated, holding advanced degrees and working a stable government job. He believes in traditional success, formal education, job security, and steady income. The other lacks formal education, but possesses sharp business acumen, accumulated wealth through entrepreneurship, and a deep understanding of how money functions. From observing both men, the boy begins to see that education alone does not guarantee financial success. What separates the wealthy from the rest is not income level, but financial intelligence, the ability to acquire and manage assets that generate passive income over time. One of the central principles he learns is that the rich do not work for money. Instead, they make money work for them. Most people earn income through active labor and then use that income to pay for expenses and liabilities. In contrast, the financially intelligent focus on accumulating assets, investments that produce cash flow, such as businesses, real estate, stocks, or intellectual property. The distinction between assets and liabilities becomes fundamental. An asset is anything that consistently puts money into one's pocket, while a liability takes money out. Many people mistakenly believe that their homes, cars, and luxury items are assets when, in reality, these items often increase monthly expenses and reduce available capital. Traditional schooling tends to focus on academic and professional skills, preparing students to become employees rather than entrepreneurs or investors. However, true financial independence comes not from higher salaries, but from owning systems, investments, and ventures that generate income regardless of active labor. The book also emphasizes the importance of financial literacy, understanding how money works, how to read financial statements, how to analyze investments, and how to legally reduce taxes. Most individuals, even those with high incomes, struggle financially because they do not understand the flow of money in their lives. They often become trapped in a cycle of earning and spending, constantly reacting to financial pressure without ever building long-term wealth. Taxation plays a key role in wealth-building strategy. Employees and self-employed individuals tend to pay higher effective tax rates, while business owners and investors often benefit from legal structures, such as corporations, that provide tax advantages. Understanding these systems is essential to growing and protecting wealth. Another central theme is the development of skills that extend beyond traditional job training. Financial success often requires abilities in sales, negotiation, leadership, and market evaluation. Rather than seeking job promotions, individuals are encouraged to seek knowledge and experience that increase their financial capacity and flexibility. Fear, doubt, and bad financial habits are cited as the most common obstacles to building wealth. Many individuals avoid risk, fear failure, and delay action. Instead of confronting financial challenges directly, they rely on job security or attempt to save their way to wealth, which rarely works in the long term. In contrast, financially successful individuals build resilience, learn from mistakes, and remain open to continuous learning. The concept of the cash flow quadrant is briefly introduced, categorizing income sources into 4 types: employee E, self-employed S, business owner B, and investor I. True financial freedom is associated with the right side of the quadrant, business ownership and investment, where income is not tied directly to hours worked. Ultimately, the core message of Rich Dad Poor Dad is that wealth is not achieved through income alone, but through mindset, discipline, and financial education. Building and acquiring assets, understanding money management, and thinking long-term are the keys to financial freedom. The book serves not as a technical manual, but as a philosophical framework that challenges conventional beliefs about money. It invites readers to rethink their relationship with work, income, and wealth, and to take personal responsibility for their financial future. If this summary helped clarify your thinking and sparked a desire to take control of your finances, consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Financial freedom begins with the right mindset, and every mindset shift starts with a single idea.